To the south, near the present-day town of Jackson Hole, Wyoming, the Grand Tetons are the youngest of the Rocky Mountains, forming between 6 and 9 million years ago. Near the turn of the 19th century, Mormon settlers began to tame the harsh Jackson Hole Valley using irrigation. Today, Grand Teton National Park protects the remains of some of the early Mormon settlements constructed in the early 1900s. In spring, the elk return to the Grand Teton Valley. These elk, part of the Jackson herd, are members of the largest elk herd in North America, with an estimated population of 11,000. To escape the harsh Wyoming winters, they migrate to the lower elevations seasonally